Hello everyone, Vanakkam. Welcome to Shiva Tourism, your one-stop channel for discovering the most beautiful, exciting, and unforgettable travel destinations. Here at Shiva Tourism, I take you on amazing journeys through breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, cultural wonders, and adventurous trails, both near and far. Whether you love nature, history, local food, or thrilling experiences, this channel is made just for you. So get ready to travel with me, explore the world like never before, and enjoy every moment of the ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me, and it keeps me moving toward my next destination. Let's make memories together, only here on Shiva Tourism. Thank you and welcome aboard. The boat trip from Rorschach to Rheineck is a scenic journey along the gentle old Rhine, offering tranquil natural beauty and a breath of leisure. Operated by Schweizerische Bodensee Schifffahrt AG, it provides a peaceful getaway amidst nature. 1. The route and natural ambience departure. From the historic harbour of Rorschach, the ferry heads into the peaceful Old Rhine River mouth, entering the lush Alten Rhine Nature Reserve. Scenery. Passengers can observe herons, swan families, ducks, and other birdlife as the boat glides through the green corridor. The slow pace invites lounging, reading, or simply letting your soul dangle. Idyllic experience. As described in a travel account, aboard the MS Rheineck, the journey shifts from mechanical hum to peaceful calm, once entering the narrow natural channel, where conversation blends into the rhythm of the river and passengers relax under sun and soft breezes. 2. Service details and timetable duration. The typical ride lasts around 1 hour 10 minutes, with the quickest taking about 1 hour. Frequency. Ferries run 3 times daily, commonly at 09:10, 12 Anasam, and 14:15. Operator, Schweizerische Bodensee Schifffahrt AG, manages the line, offering direct, no-transfer service. 3. Historical background origins. In 1906, Gottlieb Füllemann launched the first passenger motorboat service from Rorschach, later expanding to Alten Rhine and Rheineck. His fleet, including the Luna, Strandvieh, and others, powered early excursions. Transition in 1960, local communities formed the Motorbootbetrieb Rorschach Rheineck to continue the popular service. New boats like Riespitz, 1970, 150 passengers, and Rheineck, 1977, 300 passengers, pushed capacity higher. Modern fleet. These vessels allowed more frequent and robust operations, subject to weather and water levels, emphasizing the journey's enduring local appeal. 4. Seasonal operations and tickets shipping season. Scheduled service operates from May 29th to October 5th, 2025, contingent on suitable water levels. Witzweg round trip, included in the popular Appenzell Fun round trip, which combines ferry, mountain railways, and post-bus, plus the interactive joke trail. Ticket pricing: adults CHF 28 with boat, CHF 20 without. Halb tax: children 6 to 16, CHF 14 with boat, CHF 10 without. Thank you for joining me on this journey with Shiva's Tourism. If you enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful destinations and travel tips. Until next time, travel more, worry less. See you in the next video.